Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. I will show you how to set date and time. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, right click on the start icon and click on settings. You can also directly go to search bar and type your set date and time. So you can click on change the date and time. Once we're here, you can we need to enable this option, set time automatically. If you are connected with your internet connection, then your date and time will set automatically and quickly. And you can also enable this option, adjust your for daylight saving time automatically. And in the time zone, we need to select as per our zone. We have to set the Canada, or you can select United States or India. Once done, enable this option, set time zone automatically. Currently this option is not available on my system, so but you have to enable this option. And from the manual section, you can click on change and you can change the date and time from here also manually. Once done, close this window and restart your system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.